How's it going, everyone? Happy New Year. Hope everyone had a great holiday season. I know I did. Today we're just doing some quick stuff on the car, a little update, as well as getting the motor back in. I've been working over the break and I haven't been recording, so that's my bad, but I just want to show you a couple of things we did, and then we're going to get the engine in, and that's about it for today. So the first thing is we finished welding everything and we painted the engine bay. We just threw some black heat-resistant paint on it for now. It should do the job. Second, we got the floor fully in. We were gonna weld it all the way around, but on the sides it was just blowing right through, so we ended up putting some pop rivets, and I think that'll be just fine. I also made some trays for the footwells, just so, I don't know, it was really bad and really weak, so it should be nice and strong now. And then the last thing, I think that's it. Now that's it, right? Now we get to put in the engine. All right, let's do it. So we have put the engine in. It is in its resting place, hopefully for a while now. Obviously all the electronics and everything like that isn't hooked up, but everything fits, everything is good, and we are looking great. The next thing we're going to do, that's going to be the next video, we're going to be welding all of these down and creating our trans tunnel slash center console. So I'm pretty excited. Yeah, if you guys enjoy this and you're enjoying the build, just like, subscribe. We'll be back very soon with the next video, and we will see you guys in that one. Chris, will you stop?